Pending bills have been a perennial problem for both the national as well as the county governments, having risen to a combined total of about 650 billion shillings by the end of June last year.
That is enough data to be able to understand the cash flows of accounting. And so we sat back and we said, how do we now take advantage of the current regime, the current focus that the president has in capital markets?
The Kenya Association of Stockbrokers and Investment Banks has rolled out a program anchored under various thematic areas, including advisory services, SME credit guarantees, public-private partnerships, adoption of a cap-and-trade system for carbon credit-based development projects, and credit rating of county governments.
We want to be able to make it very simple and very easy for them to access. They may not, we are not looking for big money, billions and billions of money. Even any country or any entity that comes to the market and says, hey, I need 500 million, can I get it? It is our job.
The association provided that for counties to access capital markets to raise funds necessary for development financing, county governments will require to be credit rated.
One that is of importance is the capacity to be able, how much can you be able to access based on your revenues, based on your performance.
The counties can now access up to 60 billion shillings from the different types of bonds that include infrastructure bonds, water bonds, municipal bonds, and pending bills bonds.
Suppose there's a default, and we are saying, because the data we have shows us that we can be able to bank and say, for sure, we know that this money will come to the county. Then you can be able to say, out of that, 10% of it, or actually the loss is 20% of it, can be used to collateralize any debt.
Through the initiative, county governments shall be able to raise funds from financial markets for the purposes of establishing credit guarantee schemes for their local SMEs. Access to such borrowing is expected to ease pressure on counties, with the proceeds expected to finance public projects with defined income streams. Linda Koskei at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, Nairobi.